welcome back. Today I have a Dell docking station. It's a Pro 2X. Um, these are kind of obsolete when the uh, originals, when the laptops kind of went out with them too. So, let's get scrapping. If you hear my cat in the background, just crying for food. It's something he always does. He wants a treat every hour on the hour. Crash and bang. See if we can open this up. Always a hidden screw. Alright. I believe the only thing I got to take off this is this little piece of aluminum. Don't go with the plastic recycling. Okay. Something I constantly do, even though it don't matter, because I know this aluminum is so light. I test to make sure it's not magnetic. Goes there. Nothing here to save. Goes right to scrap. Alright. No need to test this. Very heavy. No, it's metal. I know. I always do though. switch bits, because I'm going to take these all these bolts off here. Sometimes they're metal, sometimes they're not, and we're going to, sometimes they're brass. We'll take them all off, and then I'll test them with the magnet. Are they magnetic? Nope. Nope, none of them is being picked up by magnet, so these will go to brass. And I know all these little screws are magnetic, for sure. For sure. Now, set that aside for a minute, work on this. Wrong bit. Somewhere's here. Did I drop it on the ground? Here's my Phillips bit. Should have put it right in there, what it's designed for, but I seem to never do that. Well, let's see if this bit will work. It's a number 2. I usually use a number 1 for this stuff. And there's my cat again. Oh, that's right. I'm going to save that for a minute. I know that ain't going to work. No. Watch it on video later, and then it'll tell me pretty much where that went. Scrap metal. Let's take a quick look at this. Nope, 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 nope. It ain't down here. Oh, that's a magnet, by the way. I don't want to have to do that all by hand. I'm going to have to. Okay, that'll go with the scrap boards, along with this scrap board. Let me get that scrap board out of there. Here. Flathead, that's not a flathead. No stinking. Alright. Well, I guess this is all later items anyhow to do to scrap this out. Get some gold recovery up here. this is mostly IC chips. Okay, this, like I said, this is going to be all gold recovery, mostly gold recovery. I got some IC chips. There ain't a whole lot here to scrap, but I will. There's some gold here again. Yeah, I'll scrap that pretty soon. I got to have an ankle surgery, have my ankle redone, so it'll give me something to do to take these apart. Now, let's take this apart. I seen right here, little flathead. Yep, I need that to take these little pins out. Just like that, nice little pins. And this side's over here. These little clips usually come out pretty good. Occasionally they don't. There it goes. That clip is off. So I got pretty lucky this time. There's another pin. Some springs. Go to scrap metal. Test this out. Where my magnets are. That's cast aluminum. So that'll go to cast aluminum melting. I'll melt that down. This I can tell is definitely, yeah, it's aluminum as well. Goes over there. Over that little piece of cast right there, cast regular aluminum. Alright. What else do we have here? That looks metal, but it's all plastic. Just designed to look like metal. Now, these gotta come out. And that's metal. And metal. I got that little piece that'll stay. I'll put that on, let the scrap plastic guy deal with that. Alright. And just like that, you know, I just thought of something. Oh, sorry. The only thing that's going to trash is this little piece of, well, actually it's aluminum, but there's glue on it, so it does not get recycled. It'll go to trash. That's the only thing. Everything else goes to plastic, metal, or precious metal recycling. I like that. I ask that you please click like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of this. It ain't often you see a docking station getting scrapped out. I usually have some odd things. They do have some more odd things coming up. Hopefully do soon. Hopefully before my surgery. So there we go. Have a nice day, and see you on the next scrap.